Hi all, welcome to this Tech channel. So this topic about the Twitter, guys, a lot of people don't know about that. So in my business, Twitter is very useful or not, guys. A lot of people nowadays Twitter is most of people using for Twitter also. So don't skip your Twitter account. Any kind of customers based on that Twitter will be follow is compulsory important. So if you have any kind of website content, first of all, so we can share from the users from the website any kind of content. It is used the large thumbnail purpose. We can use option name is called Twitter cards. Which one is the Twitter cards? This code will be using for Twitter cards. That mean by summary large image and what is my profile, everything is done. The Twitter cards mainly focus about that. We can, when you're sharing content from Twitter, we can visibility for large image purpose. We can visibility for large image purpose. So that is purpose using for Twitter cards. If you're not using for Twitter cards, simple. What are the posts you done by? They're showing for very short posts. If you're showing for long post and large image purpose, which option we can use? That is a using for Twitter cards option. That is very important will be Twitter cards. And second thing is called any kind of Twitter profile that is particular content will be accepting for 280 characters, but up to we can go to 255 will be accepted. So testing purpose, I'll show you here. You can do this. I'm just typing here. Check the circle option. The circle will be fill up the particular things. Look into this. Once character will be increased, they're showing red mark. The tweet will be disabled. The tweet will be disabled. That mean by you can selecting these all options. Control A, Control C, selecting notepad and look at this. They total accepting for 280 characters. How many characters? They are accepting for total 280 characters. So here is this. So one gap is there. That is they're showing for here. So this one 0. Yet tweet is accepted. If we one also, they will disable. But compared to the LinkedIn to Twitter sharing, is one more option is there. Any particular LinkedIn account, what are the content you have to share? There is future will be called LinkedIn with a Twitter future is there. Suppose in a LinkedIn, we are using for more than 280 characters. What will happen? Up to some character will show to the Twitter. Remaining will be shown on the LinkedIn option. Remaining all will showing for LinkedIn option. That is called any kind of content will be 280 character will be support. Here in a Twitter user, we have one question mark is there. What is the question mark? Sir, I have to write minimum 500 characters. How we can write? So the question mark is compulsory important. So I have the 500 characters. How will be writing? That is the purpose of any Twitter. We can using for multiple tweet option. Example, you can do this. Add your content. Exit. Automatic icon will be shown to customers. Take from image. We can promoting with multiple image option, not only one. Tweet. So tweet purpose. Select image and tweet on. At a time, we have to post the two content. Complete 500 character will be posted from here with the two post option. There is a complete for two post option will be done by a particular things where they uses from the Twitter here. So continuity posting is a one, is a two. So people will reading will be continuity. So those option. So without image cannot post the content. You can post without URL also, which is you comfortable. We can share by any content kind of content. And here one question is there that I can resolve by question. Is a more than 280 characters. When I'm sharing from LinkedIn to Twitter, anyone plus to Twitter, here I'm selecting for one image. Any image you can select from here. So which image will be very important here. Then click it. Anyone plus Twitter. Post the content. So what happened? We can check it out. Refresh. Link Twitter profile one. 1 minute ago here. For LinkedIn to Twitter, little bit time will be taken. So there is a very much of very patience are required to share the content from the here. So those we can refresh. 8 seconds back. When click here, they go to your LinkedIn profile. So how much is visible? They will visible here. Remain all will be dot dot dot. Smaller say if it's continuity, will show it for dot dot dot. When you click the link, they go to your LinkedIn profile. Is it clear? So Twitter will be visibility for LinkedIn connections also. That is a very much of important. Very much of important news is called. What are the videos you're sharing from the Facebook page? Suppose you are sharing some videos where in your Facebook page. I'm say about only for videos, not for images, not for the anything. So this is the your particular post. Okay. Now we can go to this option. Share. The option shared via Twitter. Look at this carefully. Everything is done. Here we can update his call in this. Share it here. Exit your content. Done. Now click for so it will show here. Before that, it's better to do the things. The link is removed. Why? Because one link is accepted, not more than link. And copy here. Close. Discard. Before that, click for share Twitter. Click for it and tweet. So the on any kind of Facebook video we can sharing for Twitter, only video will be accepted. The video will be ready to play from the Twitter account also. You can go to Facebook page and the video will be played for the Twitter account also directly. So any user can watch any kind of videos. Facebook to Twitter is very useful to watch by any kind of videos. So that is called we can using for Twitter account from watching for Facebook video also without open Facebook page. So that feature will be given by the in a particular Twitter account to will link with the Facebook page videos option. Post is not possible, only video can possible. If suppose any post is there by image, share, only page and group is possible, Twitter not possible. Only videos can possible will be shared content from the Twitter. So those options we can follow and add your Twitter here. And very much of important information. So this is today will be Tuesday. Example. I can share one post here. Ash, Tuesday. What are the thoughts and Tuesday? Thoughts. We can use different options as usual. What is the option will be you comfortable? We can use will be here. Click for tweet. These are will be done by in the Twitter account. What are the trending posts? Also, we can target it. The trending post will be available here. Show more. What is the trending topic is going on? The trending up will be selected by in the Twitter location. Change location. We can what are the location will be useful here in this. So the location will be selected from here and check your trending options and promote your content. These all will be very much of important for the Twitter users. So India versus South Africa, Virat Kohli, happy 9 years with Zimin, change is possible. So different options are here. And one more important information, once you tweet, we can't edit the Twitter option. So what are the Twitter you done by tweet? We can't edit the one particular tweet once you post it done. Is it clear? There's very much of important information for the every Twitter user. What are the posts you will be always keep it on the always top? Simple post we click and the option name is called pin your profile. So always when your profile will be user customers, the first of all you are see your particular latest post option. So that is the majorly focused by the users to getting the customer auditing purpose. In the first of all, the pin post, they will target at a time Twitter followers and LinkedIn connections also will be increased. Those option will be here. When click information, they coming Twitter to LinkedIn. LinkedIn they go to your particular channel, particular website. We have two features and channel and particular your website. So these are steps we can follow and increase your total Twitter followers, LinkedIn connections, YouTube subscriber views, and website traffic option. These all will be steps we can follow to getting for more options will be implemented by the particular users. So this is a particular Twitter market and increasing for user purpose. So about regarding any Twitter queries, you can ask me to my channel. I definitely will be support you. Don't forget multiple Twitter trending topic. You can select it. Any Twitter, it will showing for promotion nothing but is a Twitter ads. So that is a keep it in mind. If any query about Twitter, you can ask me to channel. If don't forget to like, share, subscribe our channel.